Hey gang, hey friends, hey gang friends. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video finds you well. If you're new, then hello. My name is Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff with nail stuff and she's normally a lot more chipper. I'm wearing gloves. If you hadn't noticed. Did I pull it off? Did I get away with it? No. I'm wearing gloves because my nails are picked and bitten and just shot to shit. So I wanted to do an episode of What's in the Box.
Oh, what's in the box?
What's in the box? I've been meaning to show you these for ages. Foils, bam, pow, pow, pow. I'm going to put the names of them up on the screen. I've been meaning to, yes, show you these for ages, but I just haven't got round to it. They've been sat on my desk, looking at me, whispering, unwrap me, swatch me. Switch me like one of your French girls. So these are all from Diamond Glitters, and you can get them all at diamondglitters.co.uk, and you can use code TEAMDG for a discount there. So I had this delivery as well as some other colours, some new colours. Well, I say new, the autumn collection. This is how far behind I am with things. So this is them, and also I received a Christmas box, which I don't think you can get now, and I think most of it, there are a couple of things from my box, my Christmas box, that you can get on the website, but most of them were sort of exclusive for the Christmas box. But I'm going to show you anyway, because I think your eyes deserve a treat. That's upside down, never mind. So this is them, and I will swatch them. I'm also going to do something with the stuff from the Christmas box. But while that's happening, while we're showing you things...
Edit, I've cancelled haters. I'm really sorry, I don't like it anymore.
Our first message is from Yopsy Chocolate... Oh, no. It's from Yo, Psycho Kitty. Yopsy Chocolatey. Have you considered pronouncing it Yopsy Chocolatey? It rolls off the tongue much better. Yopsy Chocolatey. So, Yo, Psycho Kitty. Yopsy Chocolatey. I need to stop. Okay, I'm back. Your Psycho Kitty says, I'm thinking of getting my manicurist license renewed because of you. I love that so much. That's amazing. That really cheered me up. Little old me, and someone's like, yes, I think I will renew my nail thingamabob. I don't even know what it's called. That's amazing. Thank you for letting me know that. That made me really happy. We have another nice... I'm showing you new colours. Can you see them? Yes. But be sure to look at them with your eyeballs. Oh, this one, Amethyst Haze. Yummers. We have another nice message from Jojo, who says that her fiance has no interest in her nail passion, but when he hears your voice, he loves to listen to you and thinks you're hilarious. There's been a few comments of people whose male partners are suddenly watching their nail videos because of the weirdo talking all over them. But Miss Jojo, time to pay an interest in your fiance's nail passion, methinks. Okay? But thanks for watching. I have this box. I got stuck. Is the Christmas box. It did have a Maltesers Rudolph reindeer chocolate thing in it. I don't know what happened to that. It just I opened the box. Minutes later, it had vanished. It also came covered in this gorgeous iridescent stuff, which I'm keeping to use on nails. Probably don't need to keep all of it. That's a lot of stuff. So this is the contents of the Christmas box. So keep your eyes peeled on that whilst I caress your ears with the dulcet tones of my voice. I'm kidding. Haters are going to hate this video because it's just me talking. Oh well. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Are they rose gold? Yes, I think these are the rose gold ones. Stickers. Love some stickers. So much easier than having to doodle anything. And I'll still have plenty of these left for next year. So they might go on the website at some point, might not sure, but it's just a little idea as to all the gorgeous, lovely stuff on the website. So go and head over there to diamondglitters.co.uk and get yourself some goodies. I've had some stuff in my basket for about 3 weeks now. I'm yet to check out. I keep going back to it and thinking I need to check to see if I have glass brown upstairs. And then, that means going upstairs, so I haven't checked. These are some little snowflakes, which is good. Turns out I didn't have any glitter snowflake sequin things. And stars, love stars. I'm sorry, this is just me rambling. It's just I just wanted to say hello to everyone. And I thought that showing you my goodies was a good time to do that. I know I missed Sunday. And thank you so... Oh my goodness, this glitter is... It's so good, isn't it? It looks like a fire. Thank you so much to everyone who commented on my post. It meant the world to me. It really did help. I didn't look at everything straight away. I was off technology for a few days, and coming back and seeing all those messages gave me the warm fuzzies. I really loved them, and it really, really helped pick up my mood. So you are all awesome, and I love you. This is Glisten, and it glistens. And it's one of those ones, I call them toppers, that can go on top of any colour. And you get this just amazing... Oh, look at it. It's so beautiful. I want to lick it. Don't lick it. Disclaimer. Don't lick polish. So I'm now going to swatch. You can jump... I'll try and put a timestamp as to where to jump to get to the nail that I presume I will put on the thumbnail. Although if you're inclined to jump, you've probably jumped already, so you can't hear me, but that's okay. I've done a coat of Foilit, the foil gel, over all of a whole bunch of pops, and I've cured it for 2 minutes. It has 2 minutes in UV and LED. And now when I put foils on, and I swatch the clear ones on a clear pop, like I don't put a colour under them, because then I can hold it up to some of my colour swatches for clients to see what it will look like on that colour. And then I place the foil on, I run my finger down the centre just to make sure that the centre is nice and smooth. And then just rub down the sides, each side, and then sometimes I'll take, that's a dry lint-free wipe, nothing on it, just to help transfer. I don't know why I did this one at an angle. It looks really silly, but I don't know. And I have one more comment. I'm sorry, I am talking a lot, aren't I? We had a comment, all of us, we all had a comment from Nagel, I don't know that word, hobby. It said, love your vids, you made me giggle so often that my husband asked what I was watching. He took a quick peek and asked, is she really drawing intestines on a nail? She said, OMG, no! I wasn't sure if I should post this in the comments, but thought I would have a laugh at it, which I did. And then I was thinking, what nail is he talking about? And it was the sweater nails. The one which just goes to show how well my first attempt at sweater nails went. Intestine nails is what they will now be called forever. That's it. You have to call them intestine nails now. We had, how is everybody? Before I just keep on and on and on. I hope you're all doing well. Again, thank you all so much for your lovely comments. I know a lot of people understand and have been there or are there, so I really appreciate all your kind words. The what did I say in the last video? Someone had asked if I had a PO box, so I asked you guys, should I get one? Is that something that YouTubers are meant to have? Just called myself a YouTuber. Call the police. Call the police. Anyway, and lots of you said that yes, you would love that. I said if 10 people say yes, then I'll look into what it's all about. And there were loads and loads of people were like, yes, I'll send you a postcard. That'd be really cool. Someone said, I'll send you some decent acrylic because I have that crappy pot of just cheap, non-branded acrylic that I use for sweater nails. Intestine nails. How dare I? Oh my goodness. Let's just look at this. I should have done this over 2 nails to get the full effect, but I think I just managed to squeeze it all on. I think Danielle at Diamond Glitters had them cut this a bit bigger so that you got all colours in one strip. So she's a clever egg. That one's amazing. But yeah, so loads of people, and I was screenshotting them because I thought I was going to say here's the 10 people, but there was lots. So I looked into it. And you have to pay for one. I didn't know that. I've never looked into PO boxes before, but thinking about it, of course, why would they do it for free? So then I thought, this foil as well. So many good ones. Go and have a look at them. Do it now. Well, after this video. Watch me first. Watch me. But yeah, I think it was about £36 a month because it said it depends how much traffic is going to, mail is going to arrive at this. And I thought, well, I don't know, might get one person, send a postcard, maybe every single subscriber might get one. And my 1 to 10 budget PO box, if 13,000 people send a postcard, that might just tip the scale. So maybe I will get one, but I think what I'll do is I'll look into one, possibly get one, but I'll let you guys know. And if you do want to do the postcard thing, so I can collect postcards from you all, then I'll give you a heads up that I've done it, and maybe I'll just do it for 1 month and see how that goes. And if it goes well, then I can read out, well, you'll have to say or not whether I can show what you sent, postcard that you've sent, or maybe just the picture actually, not what's written on the back. Or if you have like an address stamp, I won't put that on the internet, don't worry. So I've swatched all the foils. The one on the end there, that orange one, I don't know why they go like that on pops, like with these vertical lines. It doesn't happen when you do it on a person. There must be just the ridge of the pop must have a bit of a I don't know, some linear shit going on. I don't know. I don't make plastic. So they are my foils swatched. Tappy tap. Oh, and I forgot to press record. So I've done, this is the second coat. We're going to do something now. We're going to do a nail art tutorial. How's about that? That's what you're here for. I've made you wait 13 minutes and 47 seconds. But I feel we're settled in now. We're comfortable. So let's begin with some nail art. I've done 2 coats of Royal Red, and I brought that down at an angle. Don't worry about the join. Not a problem. Doesn't have to be neat. I'm putting base coat over the join and then down to the bottom, not up to the top. You could do it all over. I don't know why I didn't. I'm taking an old gel brush and I've dipped it in a tiny bit of the base coat on the nail just to make it sticky. And then I'm picking up some of this Nice List glitter. I was going to do something sort of icy, but I saw this glitter and I had to do something with it. Had to do something with it because it's just amazing, and it's so much better. Glitters look nice in videos, but in the flesh, in the glitter, what's glitter made out of? Is it tiny little bits of some kind of metal? I wonder if you can get, anyway, let's not digress on how glitter's made. I have googled it before though, tried to find a video, couldn't find one. So I'm now so I've put some glitter across the join, gone up a bit, down a bit, not a neat line, just a kind of spattering, and I've cut 2 of these snowflakes in half being sure not to cut the middle line, but just the arms on either side. And then I'm popping those in the base coat. And now I'm taking Super Gloss. I would actually recommend, I need to sniff, sorry, hang on. Okay, I've sniffed, sorry. I don't mean to say hang on, that's rude. But hang on. So I would recommend now, I'm using Super Gloss, which is a rubber top coat, which I do find with like smaller glitters. I would recommend encapsulating this with, sorry, I'm choking on my own nothing, choking on nothing, air. Either if you use acrylic, then encapsulate in acrylic or Builder Gel. Just because it's a bigger glitter, you can see a bit of a star poking out in the top right. So I did a thick layer of Super Gloss, should have used Builder Gel, and then I buffed, but didn't want to buff too much because bits that were poking out, I didn't want to buff off the corner of a star. And then I'm doing Super Gloss again on top just to make up for the fact that I should have used Builder Gel, but I'm a silly sausage and I wasn't thinking. So I've cured that and I'm now using Diamond Gloss. Of course, we almost didn't get there. On the underside of the nail, so it's really glass looking and it's really clear, and I do that on a person as well, just make sure not to flood under their nail and the hyponychium area codes. And that's that one. I'm sorry you waited a long time for a nail tutorial, and it was over pretty quickly. Am I mean? Has this been a really rubbish video? I'm sorry. I just wanted to say hello to everyone. There's my colour swatches. And just thank everyone for their nice words. Guess what's happening on Sunday? Finally, I filmed the stamping video. I just need to edit that and put it all together. So come back for that. I will put some links to Christmas videos in the description of this one. You can follow me on Instagram at Miss Jo's Nail Co. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. You're awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.